Many of us use different banks for different purposes, maybe a main account here, a savings account there. Juggling those balances can be a real hassle, constantly logging in and out of multiple apps. That's where Lunar's linked accounts feature changes the game. By connecting your other bank accounts to your Lunar app, you get a single financial overview. But the real question is, how easily can you move money between them? The great news is, transferring money between your linked banks right inside the Lunar app is entirely possible. It's one of the key benefits of linking your accounts. Here's the simple process. First, open your Lunar app. Tap on the Pay option, usually at the bottom of your screen. Select Transfer or Send Money. Now, instead of entering account numbers, you'll see a list of your accounts, including those you've linked from other banks. Choose the account you want to send the money from. This can be your Lunar account or one of your linked external accounts. Then, select the account you want to send the money to. Again, this can be any of your linked banks or your Lunar account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the details and complete the transfer with your password or security check. This process essentially leverages the open banking technology, allowing the transfer to be initiated from the external bank, but managed seamlessly through your Lunar interface. You're effectively making a transfer without leaving the Lunar app. A couple of important things to remember. First, the amount you can transfer is usually subject to the transfer limits set by the external linked bank, so keep that in mind for large movements. Second, if you're transferring money to your Lunar account from a linked external bank, it's often a standard bank transfer and the speed might depend on both banks, though many domestic transfers today are near instant. So, in short, yes, you can transfer money between your linked external banks using the Lunar app. It makes managing all your finances in one place not just convenient for viewing, but truly functional for moving your money around exactly when you need it. Link your accounts and experience the full, centralized control over your entire financial life.